This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix collaboration options not showing on iPhone. So if you're not getting the collaboration option on your Instagram account, follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is switch your private account to public. If you're using the private Instagram account, then open your profile, tap on this icon at the top right, tap on this menu icon, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down, tap on account privacy and disable private account. Tap on switch to public and then check the issue. The second solution is turn on professional mode. Open your Instagram profile and tap on this menu icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down. Tap on account type and tools. Tap on switch to professional account. Continue. Select a category. Once you have converted your Instagram account to a professional account, now you should get the Instagram collaboration option. And still, if you're not getting the collaboration option, in this case, contact with Instagram support. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.